Good evening, sir. Thank you for calling Paasa Hotel. How can I assist you today?
Good evening, sir. Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people, please. Thank you.
Of course. May I have the check-in and check-out, please?
We'd like check-in on February 14, 9 a.m. and check-out on February 15, 5 p.m. Thank you.
Great. Let me check the availability. Yes, we have an available room on those dates. Do you prefer single room or double room?
Double room, please. Thank you.
Perfect. May I have your contact number and your full name for reservation, please?
Sure. It's Shinwin Agkawili. My number is 0956-4971 and 386.
Thank you, Mr. Agkawili. Your reservation for double room is confirmed for February 14, 9 a.m. to February 15, 5 p.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No. That's all. Thanks.
You're welcome. We look forward for welcoming you. Have a great day. Thank you.